Nothing changed except the colors. We had forest calm, add Mediterranean warmth, some elegant details, and deep contrast for cinematic personality. Color doesn't change the space, it reveals personality. Now we have a quiet canvas. Warm cream, natural wood, and soft green. We add forest green. A touch of deep green brings nature, balance, and serenity inside. Now look at the difference. It's amazing, guys. For next step, we add Mediterranean warmth. Earthly colors bring sunlight, warmth, and the handcraft style. Luxury doesn't always need to shine. Sometimes it speaks through softness, blends, and timeless details. Look at the elegant details we add in this photo. Deep contrast. Dark accents reveal the bold, dramatic, and sophisticated character. Look at the difference in this photo, guys. It's stunning. What's your opinion? Every color tells a story. Every room has a feeling waiting to discover. If you have any interest about the colors and this discovery, please subscribe my channel and share your comment. Thank you for your time.